Hi, welcome to lesson 30, part 2. We are on page 82. We are learning a new chord, which is a B7. This is one of my favorite ones. I always think it sounds so cool. Now this one, we're actually utilizing our fourth finger again. So we get into, this is probably a little bit more of a jazzy feeling chord. So this is very similar to like a D7, except you're moving your fingers over here, okay? So you're on your second finger on A, first finger on that D, third finger on G, and then you have an open B, which makes sense in the chord, and then you put a third finger down on this E, which will be an F sharp, okay? So you're not playing that E bass because that's not part of the chord. I'm playing it very clear because I'm holding it weird, but... Don't play that E, but that's a B7. Try that out a few times. Make sure your fingers are well rounded. You're not crushing that mouse behind your hand. Okay, make sure it's clear all the way through. Got it? Okay, try that a few times, but we're gonna play a song here, Ramblin' Round, that will utilize that B7 in here. So you remember the E and an A, or, right? And then we'll have a B7. So this one, you're gonna have to switch. It's not necessarily very intuitive. Like, you have a few things that you can maybe hold down, at least your second finger, but everything else kind of has to move. Especially from the A to the B7, and there's nothing for it but just to make that muscle memory, so practice that, okay? So my practice just those chord changes between. Remember, I said you could mute like a little bit. I think I've shown that in class before. So between chords, mute. So like having one strike in there where you're not hitting a chord is okay, usually. Okay, let's do Ramblin' Round. So this is in 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Ramblin' round your city, rambling round your town. I always meet a friend I know as I go rambling round. Boys, as I go rambling round. Repeat. Some folks say I'm worthless. Some folks say I'm poor. But I'm the richest man I know. I could not handle more. Boys, I could not handle more. Okay, a little different strum pattern. I just thought we'd try something new. Okay, how'd that one go, guys? Again, as per usual, if you need to slow that down just a little bit, please do. But kind of a cool little song. Okay, I'll see you for the next lesson. Keep practicing.